Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Let's pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as decision. 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 Let's pronounce it with me. Decision. It's a noun. It means a conclusion, a resolution reached after consideration. Conclusion or resolution reached after consideration. Let's say its use in sentences. The court's decision was announced after weeks of deliberation. Making the right decision often requires careful thought and planning. Her decision to move abroad surprised her entire family. He struggled with the decision of whether to accept the job offer or stay in his current position. Let's see more sentences. The, the committee reached a unanimously decision to approve the new policy. A split second decision during the game changed the outcome entirely. Parents often have to make tough decisions for the benefit of their children. The decision to invest in renewable energy was praised by environmentalists. I hope you will like this video and kindly share this video with your friends who want to improve their vocabulary.